Here's a very detailed textbook-level drug study on hydrochlorothiazide, HCTZ, written the way nursing, pharmacy, or medical instructors usually expect. I'll expand each section, add clinical reasoning, and keep it organized so it's easy to study or submit. Hydrochlorothiazide, comprehensive drug 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, generic name, hydrochlorothiazide, drug class, thiazide diuretic, antihypertensive agent, diuretic, promotes salt excretion, brand names, microzide, hydrodiural, Isidrix, less commonly used. Drug forms, oral tablets, 12 mg, 25 mg, 50 mg, oral capsules, microzide. 2. Definition. Hydrochlorothiazide is a thiazide-type diuretic that lowers blood pressure and reduces fluid retention by promoting renal excretion of sodium and water. It is commonly used as first-line therapy for hypertension and for managing edema. Number 3. Mechanism of action acts at the distal convoluted tubule of the nephron, inhibits the Na+Cl- cotransporter, prevents sodium and chloride reabsorption. Water follows sodium, increased urine output. Physiologic effects. Plasma volume, cardiac output, peripheral vascular resistance long-term use, potassium excretion. Calcium excretion helps prevent kidney stones. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics, parameter description. Absorption, well absorbed orally, bioavailability 60 to 80%. Onset of action 2 hours, peak effect 4 to 6 hours, duration 6 to 12 hours, protein binding 40 to 70%, metabolism minimal, excretion renal unchanged drug, half-life 6 to 15 hours. Special populations, prolonged effects in renal impairment. Uses: primary hypertension, edema related to congestive heart failure, liver cirrhosis, nephrotic syndrome, prevention of calcium renal calculi, adjunct treatment in diabetes insipidus off-label. Number 6. Indications: mild to moderate essential hypertension, management of fluid overload, long-term blood pressure control, often ACE inhibitors, ARBs, beta blockers. 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications: anuria, hypersensitivity to hydrochlorothiazide, sulfonamide allergy, cross-reactivity risk. Relative contraindications: severe renal disease, severe liver disease, electrolyte depletion, pregnancy, use only if benefit outweighs risk. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in patients with diabetes mellitus, may increase blood glucose, gout, increases uric acid levels, renal impairment, reduce drug clearance, hepatic disease, electrolyte imbalance may precipitate coma, elderly, increased risk of dehydration and hypotension, pregnancy and breastfeeding, crosses placenta and breast milk. Number 9. How to use. Administer orally, preferably early in the morning. Take consistently at the same time daily. Can be taken with food to reduce GI upset. Ensure adequate hydration unless restricted. Dosing information. Hypertension. Initial 12.5 to 25 milligrams once daily. Maintenance 25 to 50 milligrams per day. Maximum 50 milligrams per day. Edema 25 to 100 milligram a day in single or divided doses. May be given every other day to reduce electrolyte loss. Elderly. Start at lowest effective dose 12.5 milligrams 11. Missed overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next scheduled dose. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: severe hypotension, dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, confusion, weakness. Management: discontinue drug, IV fluids, electrolyte replacement, monitor cardiac rhythm. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop medication and seek medical care if severe dizziness or fainting, signs of electrolyte imbalance, muscle cramps, weakness, allergic reactions, rash, swelling, dyspnea, persistent vomiting or diarrhea. 13. Side effects: common polyuria, dizziness, headache, hypokalemia, fatigue. Metabolic: hyperglycemia, hyperuricemia, hyperlipidemia. Serious: severe electrolyte imbalance, hypotension, arrhythmias, photosensitivity reactions. Number 14. Vital information, monitoring parameters. Monitor regularly: blood pressure, serum potassium, sodium, magnesium, BUN and creatinine, blood glucose, body weight, intake and output. Number 15. Other drugs will affect drug interactions. Drug effect: digoxin, toxicity due to hypokalemia, lithium levels, NSAIDs, diuretic and antihypertensive effect, corticosteroids, potassium loss, Anti-diabetic drugs, glute alcohol, hypotension. 16. Patient teaching. Take medication in the morning. Stand up slowly to avoid dizziness. Increase dietary potassium, bananas, oranges. Unless contraindicated. Avoid prolonged sun exposure. Monitor BP at home. Report muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, severe thirst. Do not stop medication without medical advice. Number 17. Drug comparison. Hydrochlorothiazide versus chlorthalidone. HCTZ, chlorthalidone. Duration, shorter, longer. BP control, moderate, stronger. Half-life, short, long. Use, common, preferred in guidelines. Patient teaching. Hydrochlorothiazide, HCTZ. Purpose of the medication. This medicine helps lower blood pressure. It helps your body get rid of extra fluid. It reduces swelling and helps your heart work more efficiently. How and when to take the medication. Take the medication once daily in the morning. Take it at the same time every day. You may take it with or without food. Swallow tablets with a full glass of water. Do not take at night to avoid frequent urination. Missed dose instructions. Take the missed dose as soon as remembered. If it is close to the next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the dose. Dietary instructions. Eat foods high in potassium unless instructed otherwise. Bananas, oranges, spinach, potatoes. Follow any prescribed low-salt or heart-healthy diet. Maintain adequate fluid intake unless on fluid restriction. Activity and safety. Rise slowly from sitting or lying positions. Sit or lie down if dizziness occurs. Use caution when driving until effects are known. Avoid excessive sun exposure. Use sunscreen. Monitoring at home. Check and record blood pressure regularly. Weigh yourself daily. Same time, same scale. Report sudden weight loss or gain. Monitor blood sugar if diabetic. Possible side effects to report. Report to healthcare provider immediately if you experience muscle cramps or weakness, irregular heartbeat, severe dizziness or fainting, extreme thirst or dry mouth, decreased urination, joint pain or swelling, possible gout. Drug and lifestyle precautions. Avoid alcohol, may increase dizziness and low BP. Inform healthcare provider of all medications being taken. Do not take OTC NSAIDs unless approved. Do not stop taking this medication without provider advice. When to seek immediate medical help. Signs of allergic reaction, rash, swelling of face or throat, difficulty breathing. Key teaching reminder. Even if you feel well, continue taking the medication. High blood pressure often has no symptoms. This medication works best when taken consistently. Thank you. Have a nice day.